If you want to hold your coin for a long term, then why not stack it on your Binance account? By stacking your coin, you will get daily profit, which I think it's better to put your coin on a spot wallet. So if you don't know how you can stack your coin on Binance, then hello and welcome guys. In today's video, I will guide you how to stack your coin on Binance to get daily interest. So let's get started. When you want to hold your coin for a long term, like how you just bought XRP coin or Cardano or Dogecoin, and you want to hold it for a long term to get lots of profit and to become a millionaire. So what I recommend you to stake your coin on Binance on your account and get daily interest. What I think it's better to put your coin on a spot wallet. Putting your coin on a spot wallet will not give you anything, will not give you profit. But Binance have the feature, Binance developed a feature for their user to stack their coin and get daily profit. So without Binance, we have many more decentralized exchange websites like PancakeSwap, Swap, and many more. On PancakeSwap, you will get lots of profit by stacking your coin. As you can see, you will receive 123% profit if you stack your cake coin. If you stack your automata coin, you will get 125%. If you stack your MX coin, you will get 84%. PancakeSwap will give you much profit than Binance, but Binance is high secure and simple, and you can easily unstack your coin while you want to sell your coin on your Binance. But transferring your coin from Binance to PancakeSwap a little difficult. Beginners cannot do it. So what I recommend you for now, if you are a beginner, I recommend you to stack your coin on Binance and further just move from Binance to PancakeSwap and other decentralized exchange. Another swap, here you will get the same profit. Like if you stack BTCB, you will get 360% profit. If you stack your cake, you will get 278%. As you can see on PancakeSwap, by stacking your cake coin, you will get 123%, but on Swap, you will get 278%. What it means, if you stack your cake on Swap, then your daily interest, daily profit is more than PancakeSwap and Binance. And other you will get many more like BNB, Link, Ethereum, 1inch, Reef, Doge. These all are the coin that you can stack it here. But transferring such a coin from Binance to your PancakeSwap or Swap, what I think for beginners, this can be risky. During the procedure, might be you will lose your coin, or hacker might be hack your coin, because these things happened with me. That's why I'm telling you, do not do it if you're a beginner. So in this video, I'm just going to guide you how you can stake your coin on Binance on your Binance account. Simply come to Binance, log into your account and click on Finance and go to Binance Earn. While you come on Binance Earn, Binance just developed different category that our users can easily understand in which category how much profit they give me and in which category I can stack my coin. If we see in Binance Earn, here you will see two category: granted, high yield. Here you can stack your BNB, Ethereum, or simply you can search a coin that you want to stack here. Here you can search if the coin is available on this category or not. Okay, if we scroll down here, you can see BNB duration is 19 days. You need to stack your coin for 3 months, not less than that. Simply click on stack it, then you can stack your coin. If we see Ethereum, the product Ethereum 2.0 stacking. The duration is fixed. Then we see flexible. Then USDT, if you want to stack your USDT, you will get 6%. 6 again, it's fine. Again, it's fine for those that want to hold their coin for a long term. But what I recommend you in this video, what I'm going to guide you in this video, is about locked stacking and launch pool, the two best stacking category you can do it. So let's go to locked stacking. Simply click on view more. Okay, once you come to locked stacking, the first thing you will see two categories: locked stacking, DeFi stacking. I never recommend DeFi stacking because it's high risky and beginners might lose their coin. What I recommend you, I prefer you only use locked stacking. Okay, the first step is, suppose you have BNB coin, you have Cardano, you have XRP, and you want to simply check if this three coin is available on locked stacking category or not. Simply search here BNB. Let's see if BNB is available or not. BNB is available, and we will get, on 1 month we will get 7.72% profit. In 16 days, if we stack our BNB for 2 months, we will get 9.21%. If you select more duration, then you will get more profit. Like say, for 30 days you will get 7.72% profit, and for 60 days, for 2 months, you will get 9.21% profit. So if you select 19 days, in 19 days your profit will be 11.06%. The more duration you select, the more profit you will get. So why not to select 19 days? Because your target is holding your coin for a long term. The next, if you want to search Cardano, again Cardano is available, much profit it's giving. So let's go to overall, let's see all the coin, interest and profit. If we scroll down here, you can see different coin, even 61 locked stacking products. It means 61 coin is available on this category. Okay, Solana giving you in 15 days, it will give you 23% profit. I think this is too much. Just stack your Solana here. If we check this coin, 34% on 15 days. Let's suppose check Solana 13 days. If I want to hold my coin for 1 month, if I want to stack my coin for a 30 day, your interest just decrease from 23 to 10%. What it means, if we select 16 days, 11%, 19 days, 40%. This coin on locked stacking, that's why I recommend you use locked stacking. Stack your coin for 15 days and get much profit. 16 days, 19 days, this is sold out. It means you cannot stack, you cannot select the 16 and 19 days duration. Only you have two options: 15 days, 13 days. 13 days profit is 10%, 15 days profit is 23%. Then tell me in comment which duration you prefer. So once you select a coin or once you find the coin, then simply click on stack now. But for now I don't have Solana, I don't have this coin. What I think I have this coin, no, I don't have that. Let's click on expand all 61 locked coin. Let's see if I have one of them. I have this coin, what I think, yes. Simply you need to click, at first select the duration. I select 15 days, then click on stack now. Okay, now here how many coin I have. Oh, I don't have a coin. Simply click on maximum. It will select your maximum coin. If you want to stack your all coin, then click on maximum, or simply type the amount of coin that you want to stack, 25, 13, or 1 coin or 2 coin. But the minimum is one coin, the maximum is 4,000 coin. So simply click on max. Okay, simply agree to the terms and condition and confirm the purchase. Then you will get what? Stack date 6. Here you will see the today's date, value date again. Then you will get your interest after 1 day. Your interest will start after 1 day. The interest period duration is daily. You will get your interest daily. You will get your interest. Even you can unstack your coin anytime you want. I will show you how you can unstack it. Okay, if we select any, so all steps, all procedures are same. All procedures are same. You can do it. If we stack Cardano, I already stack my Cardano. From here select maximum coin, click on maximum and agree to the terms and condition, then click on confirm purchased. But I stacked my Cardano coin, that's why I don't have. Okay, if we go to launchpad, simply go to Binance launchpad. Here what you will get, if you stake your coin, in your profit you will get another coin. Like if I stake my BNB coin, then I will get automata coin in my interest. What in locked staking, if you stake your coin, you will get the same coin in profit, in your profit. If you stake your Solana daily, you will get Solana coin as an interest. But launchpad, if you stake your dot coin, if you stake your BNB, if you stake, let's click on view all, any coin that you stake on launch pool or launchpad, you will get in profit the another coin. Like if you stake BUSD BNB, you will get TLM coin. If you stake CHAR BUSD BNB, you will get Allies coin. So this is another step or another method of stacking coin and get profit. So if in previous video I just guide you how to earn money on Binance, and I guide you staking your dot coin here, how you can stack it, how you can get another coin in your interest. So this is another step. I just stake my coin here. If you don't know how to stake coin on launch pool, just click a link in description and watch the video, then learn how you can stake your coin on launch pool. A simple way how you can unstake your coin and how you can see your daily profit or daily earnings. Simply come to your wallet, go to earn. Here you can see your daily profit, your daily earning. As I stake my Cardano, here total amount, accruing interest, today's subscription. Here you can see easily you can unstake your coin. How? If you want to unstake your coin, suppose I want to unstake my Cardano, simply click on redeem and you will get your coin in today's or after 1 day. So this is the simple way how you can stake your coin and how you can get daily profit staking your coin, and you can unstake your coin in here. Just simply come to wallet, go to earn and check your daily profit. This is my profit that I'm getting daily. And if you want to unstake your coin, just click on redeem and your coin simply transfer to your spot wallet. So this was the easiest method staking coin on Binance and get daily profit. If you have any confusion or questions, simply feel free to ask me in the comment section and I will answer your comment. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye.